Welcome back to Fitness and Society. Today I got my favorite recipe, a meal replacer for breakfast. I want you guys to stay tuned. The ingredients I'm using today will be ISO 100 protein powder. It's the vanilla flavor, only 110 calories, 25 grams of protein, 1 gram of carbs, and 1 gram of sugar. Real healthy protein. The other protein I'll be using is peanut butter, only 190 calories and 7 grams of protein, healthy fat. Bananas. Bananas is potassium. It's enough potassium to get you through the day and is a healthy sugar. Last but not least will be oatmeal. Oatmeal is a 100% whole grain. It's heart healthy, no added flavors, and it's a good source of fiber. 5-minute breakfast routine I do every morning. All you need is a few simple ingredients. Protein powder, peanut butter, banana, oatmeal, and 2 cups of ice. So we first get started. Got to have a blender, any kind you like. 2 cups of ice. First ingredient I like to add is my banana. I add 1 banana. You don't have to cut it. You can break it however you like. Then oatmeal, old-fashioned oatmeal, the original flavor. One scoop of protein powder. With this recipe, I suggest vanilla. Last but not least, 2 scoops of peanut butter. Once you added your 2 scoops of peanut butter, you can add your favorite milk. Mine is 2% milk. When adding it, make sure the milk gets to the bottom. You want your oats to soak up all that milk. With my Ninja, I got a 45-second automatic blend. Whatever kind of blender you have, it really doesn't matter. Just make sure your milk and your protein and peanut butter and ice is all chopped up very nice. After your blender stops, make sure everything is smooth and all crunched up. It should be easy. Enjoy.